My name is Devin Gilroy. I'm the chef at Hotel Tivoli in the Corner in Tivoli, New York. So we're going to make a very simple pasta with black trumpets, a Meyer lemon butter, and good pecorino. It's a very simple preparation. You start out with good pasta. I recommend Marcelli, and it leaves a great tooth, which is really the most important part. Cooking pasta, the expression is dell'anima, which means of the soul. So when you bite the pasta, there should be a little white speck in the center of the pasta. That's when you know it's really good. We've made some Meyer lemon butter. It's a really good European style butter, you know, over 90% fat. And then we've sweat out shallots, cut the shallots small, and sweat them out in a little bit of olive oil until they're translucent. And then we take those shallots, we add them to butter, and then zest a good amount of Meyer lemon rind into it, which gives it like this beautiful aroma. A good dollop of this Meyer lemon butter, and a little bit of salt. Your pasta water is basically the most important part of making a good pasta is utilizing your pasta water. It'll help you emulsify the butter. It'll help you adjust your sauce as you're marrying it to your pasta. So we're gonna move these guys back here. Once you get around that point, you can see all the orange zest in there. It's very generous. We're gonna take our black trumpets that we just foraged. We're gonna add them to our Meyer lemon butter. We rinse these just a little bit, just to make sure that they're good to go. And then we'll add a little bit of sea salt. Like we did before, with everything you add to the pan, you add just a little bit of seasoning. And as you can see here, the black trumpet, the color of the black trumpets is starting to bleed into the pan. It's really starting to give it a nice, rich mushroom quality, which is really what you want. It's all about the mushroom. We're gonna make this pasta with 4 ingredients. It's, you know, it's the butter, the mushrooms, the pasta, and the cheese. So utilizing a really good pecorino, something that's not too salty, and then using the right grater. Yeah, it's really good. Using the right grater, maybe like something that's a little coarse, will help you get the right texture on the pasta. We grab our pasta, kind of take a look at the pan. You can see that there's still a little bit of sauce. We're gonna just loosen it up a little bit, turn up the heat, a little bit of pasta water, just to help you kind of emulsify everything. A little bit of rich, really, really nice olive oil. And then it's all about activating the starch of the pasta. So you can see the starch kind of thickening that last bit of sauce. You know, cooking pasta is all about seeing the sauce through the pasta. That's what a lot of people never get to. You wanna have it clinging. You wanna have that pasta kind of, you know, the sauce stick to the pasta, but you don't want it to be, you know, really, I don't know, for lack of a better word, too sticky. You don't want the sauce to be too tight because the butter fat will start to break, or the butter will separate, and then you'll have kind of an oily pasta. So then your really good pecorino, and then again, really simple pasta, 4 ingredients, but it's all about the quality of each one. Finish it with a little olive oil, and that's that.